if you click on view all here or just click on the above bar here, you will be sent. Hello guys and welcome to AI plus more, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can find watch later on YouTube on both your mobile and on your PC. So it's going to be easy to find it on your PC. So here I am currently on my desktop YouTube website, and as you can see, this is the typical homepage or the landing page that we come to. I mean, it has always been like this for a long time. And if you want to find your watch later, it is usually found here on the left side of your screen. And if you see, there's something called watch later. And all you need to do is just to click on this, and then you'll be sent to your watch later or your playlist that you've saved. And here you have the ability to sort this, whether just videos or whether just shorts. So as you can see, there's only one video here. Another way to find it is by going through your playlist, and here you can find your custom playlist that you've made. As you can see, these are the playlists that I've created, and as you can see, that watch later is also here. So if you're wondering where to find your custom playlist, so this is the answer. So if you just click on here, and as you can see, it won't lead us into the watch later playlist, but rather it will start playing the video. But also we'll find the watch later playlist here, and we'll see that we have the ability to loop this or shuffle it. So that's it on PC. Let's move on to our mobile. So here I am currently on my mobile device, and let's get into showing you how you can find your watch later playlist on mobile. So let's go to our YouTube app first. And I've been watching a basketball video here while I wasn't doing work, so apologies for being such a basketball enthusiast. So how do we find our watch later playlist? So all you need to do is click here on the bottom right corner of the screen, click on you, and then you don't see the watch later button that we have similar to the PC. But what you can do instead is to go here on playlist, and as you can see, if you click on view all here or just click on the above bar here, you will be sent into your playlist that you have created similarly to what we've seen on our PC. And here we will also find our watch later playlist, where you can do the same thing but also have the ability to download it. But take notice that most of these videos might not be downloaded without a YouTube Premium. But that is it. That is how you can find your watch later on YouTube on both your PC and your mobile. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.